And we're back. All right. So this is going to be the psychology section. Usually I do this psychology section right at the end, but through my experience, I actually feel that teaching you how to trade, how to enter good trades, how to enter good trades that will make you money is not the hardest part. Teaching you how to think profitably, how to realize that trading can be simple, but it really matters about what you think, how you think. That's a bit of a harder part, right? So I really want to talk to you about psychology right now, and we'll guide you through this whole mindset, realizing profits, adjusting your expectations throughout the course, making sure that this is one of the things that you consider right at the forefront of your trades. Um, Getting into a good trade is not the hardest thing. Making sure that you trade with the right mindset is most important. So with that said, I'm going to show you, oops, there you go. I'm going to show you four ways that you can fail horribly. Okay, that's the first part on the left. Four ways that you can fail horribly if you're seeking that silver bullet. If you're seeking that silver bullet, what is a silver bullet? I know a lot of people are coming through and you're sitting through it going, I only want to know that one thing that will make me a lot of money. Seeking that silver bullet. That's guaranteed to make you fail horribly. If you're over trading, right? I've seen and I've heard and I've witnessed, I've encountered so many of my students who have over traded, and we've done so many things to guide them back away from over trading. Over trading, what I mean by over trading is when we set a rule that you can only enter one trade at a time, and they've gone by 10, right? Over trading. Or they should be entering only 5 mini lots, and they've entered 5 standard lots. That's over trading. So a lot of times I really do believe that if you don't over trade, even if you don't know what you are doing, it's very unlikely that you will lose all the money in your account. Over trading really is the number one thing that will cause you to lose a lot of money in your account or your whole account. The third way that you can fail horribly is an over expectation. Over expectation. Getting into FX, thinking that one day of trading you're going to make 100%. Over expectation. Over expectation that in a month of trading you're going to make even 50% returns. Over expectation. But I want to tell you that a lot of you are sitting there going, is it really not that possible to hit 100% in a month? I'll tell you, it is possible to hit 100% in a month. It is. I've done 100% in a day. But it is not going to happen every day. And it should not be something that you expect to happen. It should be something that you take advantage of when you're ready, when you know what you're doing, when the market conditions are right. But having an expectation, understanding what you hope to get out of the market is going to be more important than sitting there thinking that putting $500 down, expecting to make 50% in a day, accumulating that over and over and over in 20 days, you're going to have X amount of dollars based on a $500 capital. Not possible. I'll be straightforward with you. If you're starting at $500, over expectation is going to destroy your trading journey. And then the last way, or not the last way that I've listed here on how you can fail horribly is if you gamble. What I mean by gamble, it's when you, or if you were to sit there and say, it looks like it's going up, let me buy. Or even worst case, you say that it looks like it's going up, let me sell because I believe that it's so high, it's going to turn down. You're gambling, you're guessing. Yeah. You think that you have a feeling of the market, you're going based on luck, you're going based on feel. Trading will require you to have both a hard skill and a soft skill, a logic, a reason behind why you want to enter a trade, and also slight feel of the market. But that feel of the market needs to be developed over time and experience, not based on feel and your expectations and your demands of making money. So those are all the ways that you will, or the four main ways that you lose a lot of money, you fail horribly if you were to adopt trading in FX by seeking for a silver bullet, jumping from strategy to strategy to strategy, thinking that it's going to make you big amounts of money. Or if you're over trading, you're trying to jump into too many trades in a short period of time, too big trades at one time. If you're over expecting the kind of returns that you're going to make, 50% a day can happen, but it's not going to happen every day. I hope that you'll come to the point where you're looking at consistent returns over a long period of time. In a worst case, one way to fail horribly if you start gambling, you start jumping into trades based on feel rather than logic and strategy. But with that said, with all that bad stuff said, the way to really succeed, really start making money, to really start enjoying your trading is if you learn. You learn properly. You ask. How you learn? Well, this is a great start. You're in the program, you're learning how to trade properly, but you need to ask for help. You need to review your trades, right? It's not just trading and forgetting about it. It's not trading and then repeating bad mistakes over and over again. You need to learn by asking and reviewing, making sure that if you did enter a bad trade, if you did lose money, you learn from that mistake and you don't repeat it over and over again. You practice. You practice for a short period of time, maybe on a demo account, but I always suggest that if you're going to trade on a demo account, a lot of times you build bad habits on a demo account. A lot of people treat demo accounts as a game. And when they are trading on a demo account, they build very bad habits because there is no emotions involved. You're not trading live money. You're doing all kinds of things. You're holding trades until you make money, then you get out. You're building terrible habits. So what I always suggest is that even if you start trading small, $500, $1,000 as a practice to get started, because this is going to give you that accountability. It's going to give you that purpose with your practice. It's going to give you that real trading scenario where you are trading with emotions with your money. You are trading seriously because it is real money involved. You are trading and you're accountable. If you have no accountability, find someone to be accountable to. Get a coach. Get a coach so that the coach you can ask questions, you can review, and the coach will hold you accountable for entering good trades and making good profits. Right? Realizing the third point, realizing that to trade successfully, to make money consistently, it needs effort and time. Right? So this is the flip side of that silver bullet, that flip side of that over trading, that flip side of the over expectations. Every success in trading occurs over effort and time. How I view trading is an accumulation. I do a lot of trades, I do medium-sized amount of trades, average about 2 trades a day. I do an average about 2 to 3 trades a day. Some days I don't even enter a trade, but it is about accumulation of profits. It's an accumulation of good trades to build my account steadily over a long period of time. And most importantly, the last point is to stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. At the end of this program, At the end of this program, I will be giving you a very direct strategy. 5 questions that you have to ask yourself before you enter every trade. And through my experience, not just for myself, through my experience with what my students have been deploying on this strategy, we have seen that 60, 70, 80% accuracy using this strategy. But that 60, 70, 80% accuracy also means that there is a 20, 30, 40% chance that you will lose some trades. If you lose some trades, don't give up. Stick to the plan. Be committed to those trades, to that strategy. All right. So those are the 4 points: learn, practice, effort and time, and stick to the plan. And I really believe that if you stick to those 4 points, you're going to succeed very profitably.